Move over, kale and acai berries. There's a new contender in town. There's a new superfood making waves in the health and wellness world, and it's capturing the attention of health enthusiasts everywhere. And it comes from a rather unexpected source: algae. Yes, you heard that right, algae. Spirulina, a blue-green algae, is rapidly gaining popularity for its incredible nutrient density and potential health benefits. This tiny organism is making a big splash. Don't let its humble origins fool you. Spirulina is more than meets the eye. This tiny spiral-shaped organism packs a powerful nutritional punch, offering more than just a pretty color. It provides a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a true superfood. From boosting energy levels to supporting immune function, spirulina is being hailed as a natural way to enhance overall well-being. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts are incorporating it into their routines. Spirulina is being hailed as a natural way to enhance overall well-being. It's not just for athletes. Families and individuals looking to improve their health are turning to this algae. But with all the hype surrounding superfoods, it's important to separate fact from fiction. Not all claims are backed by science. Let's dive into the science behind spirulina, exploring its nutritional profile, potential health benefits, and the research that supports these claims. We'll also look at practical ways to incorporate it into your daily routine, from smoothies to supplements. Get ready to discover why this ancient algae is making a modern-day comeback as a nutritional powerhouse. Its journey from ancient waters to contemporary kitchens is truly fascinating. What makes spirulina so special? Why is it often hailed as a superfood by nutritionists and health enthusiasts alike? It all comes down to its impressive nutritional profile, which is packed with a variety of essential nutrients that our bodies need to function optimally. This tiny algae is a rich source of protein, making it an excellent addition to any diet. Spirulina boasts an exceptionally high protein content, with about 60 to 70% of its dry weight made up of protein. This is significantly higher than most other plant-based sources. This makes it a valuable plant-based protein source for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to boost their protein intake without relying on animal products. It's versatile and can be easily incorporated into various meals and snacks. Spirulina is also a good source of several B vitamins, including B1, also known as thiamine, B2, known as riboflavin, and B3, or niacin. These B vitamins play essential roles in energy production, brain function, and cell metabolism. They help convert the food we eat into usable energy, support cognitive function, and maintain healthy skin and muscles. Iron, a mineral crucial for red blood cell production and oxygen transport, is found in significant amounts in spirulina. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals who are at risk of iron deficiency, such as pregnant women and those with anemia. It also provides magnesium, potassium, and zinc, all essential for various bodily functions. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function, potassium helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure, and zinc is vital for immune function and wound healing. Spirulina is packed with antioxidants, compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants include phycocyanin, a pigment that gives spirulina its blue-green color and boasts potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Phycocyanin has been shown to support liver health and boost the immune system. This unique combination of nutrients makes spirulina a nutritional powerhouse, capable of providing a wide range of health benefits. From boosting energy levels and supporting brain function to enhancing immune health and reducing inflammation, spirulina truly stands out as a superfood worth incorporating into your daily routine. Our bodies are constantly exposed to free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. Antioxidants act like our internal defense system, neutralizing these harmful free radicals and protecting our cells from oxidative stress. This is where spirulina shines. Its rich antioxidant content, particularly phycocyanin, makes it a potent free radical scavenger. Research suggests that phycocyanin may help protect against oxidative damage to DNA, lipids, and proteins. By reducing oxidative stress, Spirulina may play a role in lowering the risk of chronic diseases associated with free radical damage, such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Inflammation is a natural immune response that helps our bodies heal and fight off infections. However, chronic low-grade inflammation can silently wreak havoc on our health, contributing to a wide range of diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, diabetes, and even cancer. This chronic inflammation is often linked to factors like poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, and exposure to toxins. Finding ways to combat inflammation is crucial for maintaining optimal health and well-being. Spirulina has shown promising potential in fighting inflammation. Studies suggest that phycocyanin, the potent antioxidant in spirulina, possesses anti-inflammatory properties. It appears to work by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory molecules, such as cytokines, which are involved in the inflammatory response. By reducing the production of these inflammatory messengers, spirulina may help dampen the flames of chronic inflammation. While more research is needed to fully understand spirulina's anti-inflammatory mechanisms, the initial findings suggest that it could be a valuable tool in managing inflammation and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases associated with it. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, affecting millions of people each year. Despite advancements in medical science, the prevalence of heart disease continues to rise, making it a critical public health issue. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels is crucial for supporting cardiovascular health. Regular checkups and a balanced diet play a significant role in managing these vital health markers. Emerging research suggests that spirulina, a blue-green algae, may play a role in promoting heart health. This natural supplement is gaining attention for its potential benefits. Some studies indicate that spirulina supplementation may help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels, which is crucial for preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. High LDL cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, leading to conditions such as atherosclerosis and heart attacks. Spirulina may help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, potentially lowering the risk of plaque buildup in arteries, which can lead to serious cardiovascular events. Increase good HDL cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for overall heart health. HDL cholesterol helps remove bad cholesterol from the bloodstream, protecting against heart disease by transporting it to the liver for excretion. Spirulina may contribute to increased HDL cholesterol levels, supporting the body's natural mechanisms for maintaining cardiovascular health. Lower blood pressure. High blood pressure puts extra strain on the heart and arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Some studies suggest that spirulina may have a modest blood pressure lowering effect, which could be beneficial for those managing hypertension. But the initial results regarding spirulina's potential heart-healthy benefits are encouraging. Incorporating spirulina into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise and medical checkups, could be a promising strategy for enhancing cardiovascular health. The benefits of spirulina extend beyond internal health. This versatile algae is also gaining popularity in skincare and hair care products due to its potential for hair growth and younger skin. Spirulina's antioxidant properties may help protect skin from damage caused by UV radiation, a major contributor to premature aging and skin cancer. Collagen is a protein that gives skin its elasticity and youthful appearance. Spirulina may stimulate collagen production, potentially reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Some proponents claim that spirulina's nutrient profile, particularly its protein content, can strengthen hair follicles and promote hair growth. Spirulina in your kitchen. Easy and delicious. Incorporating spirulina into your diet is easier than you might think. Here are some practical and delicious ways to enjoy this nutritional powerhouse. Smoothies. Add a teaspoon or two of spirulina powder to your favorite smoothie recipe for a nutritional boost. Its slightly earthy taste blends well with fruits, vegetables, and nut butters. Yogurt and oatmeal. Sprinkle a teaspoon of spirulina powder onto yogurt or oatmeal for a nutritious breakfast or snack. Energy balls. Combine spirulina powder with dates, nuts, seeds, and other healthy ingredients to create nutrient-packed energy balls. Homemade salad dressings. Whisk a teaspoon of spirulina powder into your favorite salad dressing recipe for an extra dose of nutrients and a vibrant green hue. Choosing and using spirulina wisely. When incorporating spirulina into your diet, it's essential to choose a high-quality product from a reputable source. Look for spirulina that is organically grown. Choose spirulina that has been cultivated without the use of pesticides, herbicides, or other harmful chemicals. Third-party tested. Opt for brands that have their products tested by independent laboratories to ensure purity and quality. Free of contaminants. Spirulina can absorb heavy metals from its environment, so choosing a product that has been tested for contaminants is crucial. Start with a small amount of spirulina and gradually increase your intake to assess your tolerance. Some people may experience mild digestive discomfort, such as gas or bloating when first introducing spirulina into their diet. A word of caution. Spirulina and potential interactions. While generally considered safe for most people, spirulina may interact with certain medications or health conditions. It's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before adding spirulina to your diet, especially if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Limited research is available on the safety of spirulina during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Have an autoimmune disease. Spirulina may stimulate the immune system, which could potentially worsen symptoms of autoimmune disorders. Take blood-thinning medications. Spirulina may have blood-thinning effects and could interact with medications like warfarin. Have a thyroid condition. Spirulina contains iodine, which can affect thyroid function. Remember, knowledge is power, but not a substitute for professional advice. The information provided in this video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet, exercise routine, or health regimen, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking any medications. Self-treating can be dangerous, and it's essential to work with a qualified healthcare professional to address your individual health needs. If you find this information valuable, please like and subscribe for more videos like these.